Hi, hello, namaste, welcome back to our channel. My dear students, today I am going to discuss one of the session is nothing but larynx. So, if you see my past classes, I have discussed about what is the respiratory system and what is the nasal cavity and what is the pharynx. And today topic is larynx. As we know that, so larynx is one of the part which is belongs to respiratory system. So here, the first thing we can see, the larynx also called as voice box. So in the future, in the competitive exams, they will ask like, what is another name of the larynx? So larynx also called as voice box. Why it is called as voice box? From the larynx only, we are getting the sound. That's what it is called as voice box. Let us see. So larynx also called as voice box. Yeah. And so where the position of the larynx? So here it is telling it is the root of the tongue. So after the root of the tongue, it is a continuous part of the larynx. As we can say, so laryngopharyngeal, extension of the laryngopharyngeal. So as I told you, the third division of the pharynx, the continuation extent part is called as larynx. That is the exact position. And here it is telling at the level of third, fourth, fifth and sixth cervical vertebra, there is an exact location and exact position for the larynx. So my dear students, this is about the position of the larynx. Let us see, the next one is the organ association for the larynx. As I told you, superficially, superiorly, inferiorly, anteriorly and posteriorly. Let us see, the first one is superiorly. So above the larynx. So above the larynx there is a hard bone and roof of the tongue, as I told you. And inferiorly, so it is a continuous part of the trachea. So after this larynx, there is an extension part is called as trachea. Absolutely, the inferiorly there is a trachea will be there. And next one is a anterior. Anterior is nothing but, so in front of the larynx that there is a neck muscles will be there, as we know that. And next one is a posterior. So posteriorly it is the cervical vertebra. A third and sixth cervical vertebra, there is a posterior organ association for the larynx. So this is exact position and organ association for the larynx. So as you can see in the diagrammatic presentation, as we can see, this is a green color you can see, no? So this is the main part of the larynx, you can be able to see. And next we can see one more diagram we can see. So this is where you can find out. So this is the exact part of the larynx. So as I told you, superficially this is the part, and there is a inferiorly there is a trachea. So this is the part is called as trachea. So this is exact diagrammatic presentation of larynx. Next we can see what is the structure. So this is a very important for the competitive purpose. So what is the structure? So structure, it is telling that, so larynx is having, there is a several irregular shape of bones. So there is what kind of the cartilages are present. There is a different kinds of the cartilage are present. So cartilage or four cartilage is present. The first one is one thyroid cartilage and one cryoid cartilage and two arytenoid cartilage. So this everything is belongs to hyaline cartilage, and one more elastic fibrocartilage is there, that is nothing but one epiglottis. My dear students, here the five cartilages are there. In that the four is hyaline cartilage and one is elastic fibrocartilage. Let me tell what is the difference in between the hyaline cartilage and elastic cartilage. So hyaline cartilage is having the flexible nature, flexibility, and here it is elastic cartilage is telling that there is elasticity will be there. So that is a little differentiation in between the hyaline cartilage and elastic fibrin cartilage. So this is a very important topic under the larynx. So how many cartilages are present? So this is about the structure. You can see what are the competitive bits will come under this theoretical part. The first we can see, larynx is made up of how many cartilages? This is one of the question they might ask. So that the answer will be 5, as I told you. So there is a 5 kinds of the cartilages are present for the larynx. And one more thing we can see, where is exact location for the larynx? We can able to find out here, midline of the neck. So middle of the neck, there is a exact location. You can feel the, while you are talking, if you touch at the middle point of the neck, you will feel some vibration. It seems there is a sound production will be happen in the position of the larynx. So this two is belongs to competitive from this part. And you can see this diagrammatic presentation of the cartilages. First one is green color is representing this one, that is the epiglottis, elastic cartilage, fibrocartilage, and rest of the four is belongs to cartilages. So this, as per color, you can understand where it is located. So this is the diagrammatic position of the cartilages alignment for the larynx. Yeah, so let us see what is this epiglottis. So you can able to find out here. So this is the epiglottis. So epiglottis look like a leaf like structure, you can able to find here. So epiglottis is a leaf shape. So it is built up of one cartilage is nothing but fibroelastic cartilage. So this is about the epiglottis. So they may ask what is the shape of the epiglottis, you can able to find out here, leaf shaped thing. And finally you can go for what is the blood supply. As I told you, for any anatomical organ which is present in the human body, for each and every organ there is a must and should, there is a arterial blood supply, veins blood supply, nerve blood supply. We can see here what is the arterial blood supply. Yeah, superior and inferior laryngeal artery is the arterial blood supply. You can remember here what is exact artery, superior and inferior laryngeal arteries are going to supply for the this larynx. And third, veins are venous blood supply, as well superior laryngeal nerves is the nerve blood supply for the larynx. So this is about the blood supply for this larynx. And finally you can go for the function. What is the main function? As I told you in the introduction only, so there is a main function, is it is also called as voice box. So here, so it is generating of the production of the sound, that's what it is called as voice box. That is the main function of larynx. Okay, and next one is speech as well as. So while we are talking, so here there is a larynx are there na. So in the presence of, with the help of this epiglottis, it is going to making a speech. So that's what it is, one of the function, that is a speech. And next it is going to protecting. So protecting of the lower parts of the respiratory tract. Yes, so it is acting like a protection. And passage of the air, as we know that while we are taking inspiration, also passage of the, it is allowing the passage of the air within the lungs. That is one of the function. And humidification, as I told you in the previous classes, humidification is nothing but, here it is, there is a mucous membrane, so the air is going to add with the moisture, with a mucus, then that will be called as humidification. So that is one of the function. As we know that the filtering, so when the air we are inhalating, so inside the lungs, so it is going to filter from the particles of the dust, and warmness also it is going to give. So these are the few functions of the larynx. So this is about today's session, that is larynx. You must remember what is the main function of the larynx is nothing but, it is also called as voice box. And here you must remember what are the types of the cartilages, how many types of the cartilages, and what is their importance. That's it. So this is the today topic about the larynx. My dear students, please like and share and subscribe. So I will come with next topic. Until that, stay tuned. Thank you so much.